Hey, what's up, guys? So, Glitcher here. Just gonna start in on cleaning this Game Boy camera. I got in a somewhat large lot of items, and I don't need it, but it does need to be cleaned. The lens is pretty gross, and I've never opened up one of these, so I figured, well, maybe now's the time. And we'll also clear the history, the embedded images, because I did plug it in and it does work. But when I plugged it in my GB operator, it did show additional images that I was not able to pull up on this organically through Game Boy. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up, clean everything up, and hopefully we can find a new home for this guy. Yeah, we'll also replace that battery as well. But you can see just how dirty this thing is, especially inside of there. I mean, I can't even see the aperture in there. So the board is clean. Definitely clean. So I'm not going to worry too much about the board, but I'm going to get this head off of here. Yeah. Shell is going to need to be cleaned a great deal. But let's see here. No. Too big. What's this one like? Yep. Okay. I use paper on the bottom here, because when I'm doing my projects and stuff, I like to be able to just put all my trash on it, crumple it up, start off with a new piece of paper, and that seems to work out pretty well for me. Man, these screws are in here really good. Holy crap. Okay. So, I just want to make sure I have my orientation correct. Okay, yeah, so that goes to the front. I want to make sure. Just get it, in case I get hit with that later on reassembling it. Just throw all of them in there. Yeah. Okay, I see what's going on here. So there's this little lock bit right here. I'm guessing if I can do that. Woo. All right. Haven't broke anything yet. Okay. So there's a little bit here. Just, okay, yeah. So it is. It's got this little channel right here. Okay. All right. So far, so good. Yeah, look at that. That is disgusting. Whew. Glad I'm cleaning it. Yeah, all these plastic parts I'm just going to throw in a big bag of the rubbing alcohol or something, and then hit it with a toothbrush. Because that crap needs to be cleaned. This I don't really know about, but we'll go ahead and unscrew it because, you know, for science. If I end up breaking it, then I guess it goes up on eBay for parts. I don't imagine that happening just because this is a pretty basic situation here. Okay, so I don't really want to mess with this too much. So yeah, you can, I wish I could show you guys inside there, but better days for sure. Okay. I'm using a anti-static brush just to clean off the inside a little bit. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put this back on here. Hopefully that's the right way. Pretty sure it is. Yeah, because I had to twist that in a weird way. Alright, I need a new set of screwdrivers because ones I got just don't really cut it. Make sure this is tight. I'm surprised that there's not a gasket on this part, but there is on this part. It's just kind of confusing to me. Okay, so this just comes off. Okay, that's nice. And yeah, this is the part that's really gross. Looks like this, like I could probably spin it off of there. I don't know if I want to though, because it seems pretty important. I don't want to break nothing, but yeah, I'm not even gonna attempt that. I'm just gonna try and clean it as best as I can with some rubbing alcohol. Should be a little better. I honestly couldn't see anything out of it to begin with, so. Alright, I'll grab the other end here. And that in there, or that in there, that in there. Reassembly was quite easy and went without an issue. Time to test to make sure I didn't mess anything up. Looks like it works perfectly and 100% clean. Now even I feel better about it. Camera view is 10 times better than before and can actually be used. As I mentioned before, when I initially tested I could barely make anything out, and now feels like brand new. I personally had a blue one years ago when they were released in 1998 and couldn't believe this was even a thing until I called a local Toys R Us and had confirmed it was real. Now in 2024, it's weird looking back on those memories, and hope I can find a good home for this item. I will be posting this on eBay, including some of the images I grabbed from it to show its clarity. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and hope to make more. Currently building a house and have dedicated a small room so I can make these types of videos. They're a little more streamlined and buttoned together. But for now, enjoy the guerrilla style filming and hope you subscribe, like, and stay a while. Peace.